Yes! He got it!
He wants to go to the bed, so he wants that bone on the bed. Max is so dumb. He
go,
doesn't know
Otto,
what's going
go! Pick that bone up. Pick up the bone.
That bone is bigger than Otto.
He's not. Hey, he's not an idiot, you know.
He's using his tools. Scripted that bed. Oh!
The bed
the bed was.
You got it under the bed.
My sides hurt. Oh, Otto. He's gonna shove it up.
He doesn't know what to do.
Meanwhile, he has muscle.
Oh, now he's in trouble.
Now
Oh no, he's not giving up. Oh, now look at Max.
Oh yeah.
This is funny. Okay, that's enough. We're gonna have to help him. Okay.
Oh, it's tangled in the camel cord.
He's gonna do whatever he needs to.
You should see his legs. He kicks. Oh, Terry, I think you should help him.
He wants help.
He does.
He looked at you.
Here, you videotape me getting it.
This is gonna be a long video. You know what this is? This is a YouTube video.
This is a YouTube.
Yes. No, seriously. We'll
I
get
know.
like 1 million hits. Oh, but we shouldn't actually now. I just said we'll get 1 million hits. Probably.